All right, it's cooking time. It's a green pepper. I'm gonna clean it out and chop it up. Okay, green peppers. Okay, there's green pepper. Zucchini. Because I have them. Making something weird. Got an onion. Okay, that's the veggies chopped up. Time to move them out of the way. All right, that's a pot. Turn it up way high. And then boil water. And because I forgot the lid, put a plate over it. It'll act as a lid. Because we are gonna cook oil in a bag rice. Okay, I think that's close enough. Then goes the rice. 10 minutes. It's working. It is working. So I put the plate on there to get the steam come a little bit further away. And I'm wiping it down a little bit. I don't usually boil stuff in here like this. But I guess in a way I'm cleaning it. You can cook in a small class B, but it takes some coordination. So we'll set this bag in this bowl. Get out of the way. All right, we're gonna use this skillet. I want to get a smaller one, but I got what I got. I'll put that in there. Now I got these fake chicken corn meatless pieces, and that's what I'm using. You can obviously use real food. A lot of people don't see this as real food. I'll put some olive oil in there. Starting to sizzle. And we will cover it and let it cook for a bit. And we're gonna keep stirring this around. Keep cooking. Alright, keep mixing this up. I understand this is not for everybody. I like to throw some veggie meals in because, you know, eating a pound of steak is probably not the greatest thing to consistently do. Alright, I put the rice in the bowl. Now I got some sriracha. I'm gonna put some sriracha on it to mix it up. That's good. That is good. Let's do another stir. Just a couple more minutes. Put the veggies in. Turn it down a little bit. Some more olive oil. Cover that up for a few minutes. Stirring occasionally. Alright, I took the zucchini and cut it down a little bit to smaller chunks. I'm gonna let it keep cooking. Alright, it's coming along nicely. Again, if you don't like the fake stuff, don't use the fake stuff. This is Famous Dave's barbecue sauce, Devil's Spit. It's kind of hot. And we all know hot sauce can fix anything. Turn it down, mix it all together. Needs a little bit more, not that there's much left. Save a little bit of the spit, because there's not much left. You never know, it might come in handy. Okay, I'm gonna keep mixing. All right, we gotta do some moving around, because it's time. I had to put that underneath to get it level. Have to be very careful. We're gonna put a plate down. 1 flour tortilla laid on here for a couple seconds to steam so we get other stuff ready. I gotta tell you, it's kind of tough cooking in this small of a space. All right, this goes down here. The tortilla's nice and soft. Ooh. I'll take some of the rice. Okay, now some of the chicken, onions, and squash. See? Okay, I'm holding that. The green peppers. There we go. We have some Colby Jack cheese. Good amount of cheese. And now we have some hot banana pepper rings. Because if you're gonna spice it up, spice it up. Okay, playing the moving game. Playing the shuffle. All right, let's see what we got going here. Something a little different. There's a burrito. I'm telling you, if you doctor up fake chicken, it's really not that bad. I actually kind of like this corn pieces. Good stuff. All right, I hope I gave you, some people, an idea for something different to cook with what you have. And I hope you have a great and wonderful day. Here's a little bonus stuff. Also, as you can see, as I'm boiling this, I put this screen thing up. It's a blind that I got at the thrift store real cheap. It's got some splatter on it, which means there's not splatter on my stuff. I've cleaned it. It's not dirty, but it's stained. So that goes to show you, you can cook inside and not ruin everything. What makes the corn stuff good to me is the texture. It's very edible. Flyover. Another flyover with the hot peppers on there this time. This is the second burrito. Fake chicken and stuffed burrito. Okay, again, have a great and wonderful day.